Welcome to our newest listing in West Garden Grove. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a massive family room addition is just under 1,700 square feet. It has newly installed vinyl plank flooring, fresh paint throughout, crown molding, recessed lighting. Too many upgrades to list. Come on in and see. In addition to this formal living room with a cozy fireplace, think of all the memories you'll make in this massive family room addition with windows, recessed lighting, and lots of natural light. My favorite part of this home is this newly redesigned, remodeled primary ensuite bathroom. It has a spa-like feel. Thank you for touring this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a family room addition. If you'd like more information or a personal tour, I can't wait to hear from you.